How to file taxes in California. So first you would need to file your federal tax return. You would usually need to complete your IRS Form 1040 before starting your California return. You can get all the forms you need from the IRS website. Just type in the search the form name and it will bring the PDF file version, which you can download if you need. The next thing is to choose the right California form. So usually use the form 540 if you are a California resident, which is this form right here, California Resident Income Tax Return. You can also use form 1042EZ for simpler returns, or form 540NR if you are a non-resident or part-year resident. And the next thing you'll need to do is gather your documents. So you would need to start by collecting W-2s, 1099s, your federal return, social security number, deductions, credits, and your bank info. And then you'd usually file online or by mail. You can e-file with tax software. So for example, you can use CalFile to file your California state return for free, which is ftb.ca.gov. And during the filing process, you would need to attach required documents. And this is only if you're mailing. So if you're filing by mail, you would need to sign the return, attach your W-2, attach your federal return if required, and mail the original return, not a copy. And next, you would need to pay any taxes owed. So California tax payments are due by April 15th, 2026. Even if you get more time to file, the payments are a separate thing. And next, you will need to use the correct mailing address. The FTB mailing address depends on whether you are sending payment with your return. And if you search for mailing address in the State of California website right here, you should see the addresses, as you can see in the table here. And the last thing you need to know is you should know about the extension rule. California gives an automatic extension to file until October 15th, 2026, but it does not extend the deadline to pay. The deadline to pay is the same, April 15th, regardless if you extend or not. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll see you on the next one.